Any handwriting can be good if it is neat and clean. But here are few suggestions to maximize the goal of good handwriting. First of all, always check the grip of the pencil. The pencil should be held between the pads of the thumb and the index finger while resting it on the middle finger. Be sure that the book is aligned parallel to the arm of the dominant hand and is in angle of 45 degree. When you are practicing for the handwriting, remember that the distance between the eye and the writing surface should be maintained at about 20 to 25 centimeter, while the light coming from the left side for right-handed children and right side for the left-handed ones. Maintain good posture while writing. For children who are just trying their hand for the good handwriting first time, they can also enjoy using crayons or paintbrush to draw large strokes. Also help children follow the arrow formation of letters. In short, I am sharing the alphabetical cursive writing pattern with you. If you really want to improve your handwriting, so always start with the alphabet. First, you focus how you are making your alphabets. This is the important part. So, this is the first part of my video which I am sharing with you about the making of small and capital letter formation in cursive form.